I'm pleased to say that Origin has performed well for the first 6 months of the 2020 financial year with strong cash flow growth. Our profit has declined in accordance with expectations and also in line with the guidance we gave shareholders last year. Our underlying profit is down 11% to $528 million. We had a very strong performance in integrated gas driven by APLNG, where we achieved record production, including 66 cargoes of gas shipped to our Asian customers and also the signing of several new domestic customers. APLNG remains a very significant supplier of gas to the East Coast market in Australia. The increase in earnings in integrated gas has been more than offset by a decline in earnings in energy markets. This has been driven by the re-regulation of electricity prices, unplanned generation outages at Eraring and Mortlake, and also lower electricity volumes. In relation to one of those outages, I'm very pleased to say that Mortlake was returned to service within 6 months of that event, and importantly, to be available for those high demand summer months of electricity. We remain very committed to getting energy right for our customers, and affordability and experience are key to that. Our Retail 2020 program is tracking well. We continue to transform the customer experience to make it simpler, smarter and easier for our customers. And we're also on track to deliver the cost savings of $100 million by the 21 financial year. Origin's free cash flow has increased by 22% on the back of the increased earnings in integrated gas, a strong cash flow conversion in energy markets, and also the sale of the Ironbark asset. When we look back over the last 12 months, Origin has reduced its debt by $1 billion. And on the back of the performance in the last 6 months, I'm pleased to say that the board is determined to pay a 15-cent interim dividend to shareholders. This compares to a 10-cent interim dividend for the equivalent period last year. Now turning to outlook, we've reconfirmed the energy markets guidance, and we have upgraded the distribution guidance from integrated gas on the back of lower costs expected this financial year. The cash distribution from APLNG to Origin is now expected to be $1.1 to $1.3 billion. Thank you for your continued support of Origin.